Ruui-ini rwa Rupingazi gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga niko ekuirwo wa njuragano arerekeire maabitha uthuthuria kumonia haria mathiite mutwe wa mundurume wa ukuru wa miaka 23 uria woragiirwo na mwiri wake utari na mutwe ugiteo mugunda-ini wa muceere. Kuringana na munene wa borithi gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Mwea Wilson Koskei, mwiri wa mutigaire Eric Muriithi wonekanire kiroko gia tariki 17 mweri-ini wa gatano mwaka uyu mugunda-ini wa muceere na kuria aikari mahurire ripoti kuri maabitha borithi.
This follows a crime that was committed on 17 May last month, where a headless body was found within mathiite. A young man was murdered and the head was removed and taken away. We don't know where.
Koskei augite gukinyaniria na riu ni marikitie guikia ngono ekuirwo eri magikuruhanio na njuragano eno na umwe wao niwe uramerekeirie ruui-ini ruru kumonia haria mateire mutwe wa Muriithi thutha wa kumuraga guku mari na mwihoko ati mahota kuona.
By the end of the day, probably we are going to be successful to recover the head that was dropped in this river. We have engaged the locals to assist us to search actually at the river banks and also in the water.
Hindi ya mihango eno, family ya mutigaire iratungirwo ni kimako kinene thutha wa mwikuirwo uyu kuhithuria ati niwe woragire Muriithi niguo aheo muigana wa ciringi 400,000 ni aria mamutumite no ndaigana kuriho ona thutha wake gukinyaniria matanya ma wendi wao.
Wakati tulimpata ameuawa, tukakaa wiki 2.5 tukamshika bila kichwa. Tuliambiwa kichwa iko kwa mto.
Ni vizuri vijana wajichunge sana kutumia sasa kama hawa wamejiingiza kwa taabu kwa sababu tu ya kutumia pesa, hawana na wameua na hawana pesa na hawakusaidika.
Koskei ni augite kwa ihinda riri Muriithi ni arikitie kuhurukio na matire na uma wa uria mageka wona mutwe wake wonekana.
We buried the headless body. The body was buried by the relatives immediately after postmortem, and now I don't know what will happen again if we are successful to recover the head. Some things will have to be done.
Mbere ya gikuo giake Muriithi ari mutwarithia wa boda tauni-ini ya Ngurubani haria akuaga thii nginyagia itora-ini ria Gaturi.
Our intention is to recover the head and also the murder weapon and also the registration number of the motorcycle that was alleged to have been put in a bag and dropped in this water. So I'm appealing to those who are living alongside this river kwamba wanaweza kutusaidia.
Ihinda-ini o riu Koskei ni augite igoti ria Barisho nirihete mwena wa uthuthuria ihinda ria thiku 15 mahingire mwikuirwo niguo marikiririo uthuthuria wao.
I hope the DCI is going to have a watertight case to prove beyond reasonable doubt in court.
Kwa ihinda riri mwikuirwo uyu ahingiirwo sesheni-ini ya borithi ya kiama ciri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.